Thank you for joining us for another episode of Connecting Through Stories from New Hampshire Humanities. To learn more about the Connections program or for tailored lesson plans and activities to go along with this next book, please click the link in the description below. December 10th, 2020 marks the 72nd anniversary of the creation and ratification of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. To commemorate that document, I've chosen a simple story that reflects the humanity that unites us all. That story is Whoever You Are by Mem Fox and illustrated by Leslie Staub. Consider these questions to go along with the story. What basic human rights are most important to you? Are the rights in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights truly universal? Finally, should the Universal Declaration of Human Rights be enforced? Why or why not? Whoever You Are, written by Mem Fox and illustrated by Leslie Staub. Little one, whoever you are, wherever you are, there are little ones just like you all over the world. Their skin may be different from yours, and their homes may be different from yours. Their schools may be different from yours, and their lands may be different from yours. Their lives may be different from yours, and their words may be very different from yours. But inside, their hearts are just like yours, whoever they are, wherever they are, all over the world. Their smiles are like yours, and they laugh just like you. Their hurts are like yours, and they cry like you too. Whoever they are, wherever they are, all over the world. Little one, when you are older, and when you are grown, you may be different. And they may be different, wherever you are, wherever they are, in this big, wide world. But remember this. Joys are the same, and love is the same. Pain is the same, and blood is the same. Smiles are the same, and hearts are just the same. Wherever they are, wherever you are, wherever we are, all over the world. If you haven't yet read the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, I would highly recommend it. We'd love to hear your thoughts to the story by commenting below, and if you're able, please consider donating to our Connections program at New Hampshire Humanities. Thank you.